Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you that have a BMW guys 1 Series. I'm talking about E81 E82 E86, I think, E87 E88 generation 1 Series guys BMW, and you're trying to find where your thermostat is located and how to remove and replace the thermostat. Stay with us guys, we'll cover where it's located, how to access it, and we'll have a complete replacement video guys coming very soon as well. There are 3 things that you need to do when you replace your thermostat, so make sure to stand till the end, otherwise you can cause damage to your engine. Now, before we start, let me introduce you to the channel guys. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Specifically on BMWs, we make even more. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information guys. Now, another thing, if you need to buy new thermostat parts, tools, everything, we'll share the links in the description of the video below. If you want to see more mechanical videos, fixing this engine, taking things apart, replacing certain components, we have a main channel that's called Auto Repair guys, and we have helped more than 69 million people, so please check it out guys. Very helpful information that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs, so definitely guys, very helpful content there. This is the N52 engine, okay, N52 6-cylinder engine. So if you have a 1 Series BMW with 6-cylinder engine, okay, it should be helpful. Back in the day, thermostats used to be pretty simple to replace. Used to be by the water pump, very close as well, driven by which the pump was driven by the belt. But now you have guys electric water pump on that engine, and it's on the bottom left side next to the crankshaft pulley on the left side that attaches to the engine block, and right next to it guys you will have a device that looks like that, okay, and this is your thermostat. It has 4 hoses, 1 wiring connector, okay, 1 wiring connector right here, you can see this one, and 2 bolts that attach to the water pump on the bottom side right here. But there are 3 things that you need to do guys. First, you need to drain your coolant. We will have a video how to do that, and we'll have the complete replacement video coming very soon on the channel. But number 2 guys, when you change your thermostat and you put it together, you need to add coolant. Always use BMW coolant or coolant that's approved by BMW. Otherwise you can cause damage to your electrical pump, water pump, that's very expensive. You can cause damage to your thermostat. The hoses may get soft and explode, and you can see how many coolant hoses that BMW has. It's a big mess guys, so you don't want to replace them because you put the wrong type of coolant. Now, number 3, when you put it together, you need to bleed the cooling system the correct way. If you don't bleed the cooling system, you can overheat your engine, which can end up having the engine rebuilt or replace the engine just because you didn't bleed the cooling system. There is a special procedure, and it takes about, I think, 15 minutes, and I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below how to do that on a BMW guys. BMW 3 Series will be the same way, and we have that procedure already made. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't hesitate to leave a comment below if you have any questions, and see you guys next time.